Good morning, Jai Hind, my dear children. Welcome in my sociology class. This is the first chapter of your book in which you will get the introduction of the sociology. What is sociology? Why we study sociology? What is the basic concept of the sociology? All these things we will study in this chapter. We will get our questions answered in this chapter. What is the sociology means? Why we study? Why we need to study sociology? And what sociology and society? The first chapter of your book, sociology and society. So how they correlated to each other? That is the first topic and first chapter of your book. So when you read the introduction of the chapter, you will get what is society? A group of people. Same kind of people, same type of people, or same community or literary type of groups, any can be included in the society. Before I explain society, I need to explain sociology. What is the sociology means? How it become a subject? What is the need to study sociology? When you study sociology, this question will come in your mind that why we need to study sociology when we are already studying history, psychology. So sociology is the combination of all subject. In sociology you study all the subject, not only sociology, you study psychology of a human being, you study economics, in which economy of the country, economy of particular community, economy of society. You study history of particular community, you study geography, their area where they belong, the habitants. All these things are included in the sociology. The chapter is not only about particular topic, it is a good combination of all the subjects. In this sociology, you can study everything related to society. How we study everything related to society? We form a society. Human being form a society. Group of a particular people or particular community when form a society. This is the part of the country. This is part of the nation. This is part of any community. So what society means? It is not only the group of people. What society means? We have different kinds of society among us. You may be confused sometime that why I am talking like this. We have different kind of societies. So for example, we are living in a country, India. India is a very diverse country, different culture, different language, different food habits, eating habits, dressing, everything is different when you analyze, when you study. So, even our choices are different. We have different kind of likes and dislikes. So what we do, we want to accompany alike people. We want to spend our time with alike people. So when these same kind of people make a group, that is called society. Particular, you have heard already, literary society, that is also a society. So one person can be part of different society at the same time. Okay, it's not compulsory that you can be only part of one society. No, it is not. You can be part of different kind of society, different kind of people. So this is the society in which we are living and we form a nation. Okay. Further, when you read, you come to know that what is the importance of a society in our life. Why it is so useful, why it is too much discussed, why we need. So we have lots of things to know about the society, to know about the system. अब जैसे आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि सोसाइटी क्या होती है, कैसी होती है, सोशियोलॉजी पढ़ रहे हैं तो सोशियोलॉजी में इन सब चीज़ों से क्या लेना देना है। तो सोशियोलॉजी जो है अपने आप में एक मुकम्मल सब्जेक्ट है, जिसको जब आप पढ़ते हैं तो उसमें सारी चीज़ें पढ़ते हैं। जब आप एक सोसाइटी के बारे में पढ़ते हैं तो उसके बारे में उसकी हर चीज़ को पढ़ते हैं, जैसे वो कहाँ से बिलोंग करती है, उसकी हिस्ट्री क्या है, ये सारी चीज़ें आप पढ़ते हैं। उसकी इकोनॉमिकल कंडीशन क्या है, ये भी आप पढ़ते हैं। इस तरह आप इकोनॉमिक्स भी पढ़ते हैं, आप उनके एक्शंस को पढ़ते हैं। जब आप उनको एनालाइज करते हैं तो आप साइकोलॉजी भी पढ़ते हैं। तो इस तरह जो सोशियोलॉजी है सिर्फ एक अकेला सब्जेक्ट नहीं है, ये पूरे सब्जेक्ट का ग्रुप है। व्हेन यू रीड दिस चैप्टर यू विल कम टू नो दैट देयर इज कंपैरिजन amongst other subjects, other disciplines. You have to compare sociology with other subjects. So what you get when you compare, you will come to know that what is the similarity and what is the differences. What is the similarity between two subjects, history and sociology, and what is the differences. The next thing you will read, you will come to know that what is the similarity with psychology, what is the similarity with geography, what is the similarity with political science or politics, what is or civics, you can say. All these things you have to study. So when you read the introduction of the sociology, you come to know all these things, that what is the sociology. आप जब सोशियोलॉजी पढ़ते हैं तो यही एक ऐसा अकेला सब्जेक्ट है जो हर सब्जेक्ट के बारे में बात करता है, हर चीज़ के बारे में बात करता है। ये सिर्फ किसी एक के बारे में बात नहीं करता, ये सब चीज़ों के बारे में बात करता है। जब हम सोशियोलॉजी पढ़ते हैं तो उसमें अपना कॉमन सेंस यूज़ करते हैं। कॉमन सेंस क्या होता है? कॉमन सेंस क्या होता है? अमीर के घर में पैदा हुआ बच्चा अमीर ही होगा, अमीर ही होगा, ये हमारा कॉमन सेंस है। लेकिन हम ये नहीं सोचते हैं कि कोई अमीर कैसे बनता है। हम उसके बारे में जब एनालाइज करना शुरू कर देते हैं तो वो कॉमन सेंस नहीं हो जाएगा, कि एक हमारा सोशियोलॉजिकल अप्रोच बन जाता है। ये सारी चीज़ें आई विल डिस्कस इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो, एंड कीप वॉचिंग मी। टिल देन, थैंक यू वेरी मच।